CYC X1 Pro Gen 3 X6 controller just got replaced by CYC because this one is clearly shorted out. But they sent me a new one, and the new one is working. Here's the old one. But anyway, so I put the new kit on my bike, new controller. They sent me a new headlight kit. Here's the old headlight kit because I snipped the wire on the end because it was fried. But anyway, these are the old headlights I originally got with my kit when I ordered it. The new ones they sent, I installed on the bike already. Well, anyway, these old ones I like better because they seem to be manufactured better. These are the old ones I originally got from CYC. You can see this ring on the back is attached. You cannot turn this ring. It's solidly attached. And you cannot wiggle these wires without that cap. You know, it just doesn't move. Now come the new ones that they sent. Probably a different manufacturer, who knows. I do notice the color is different. The one on the left is lighter, and the one on the right is darker. Besides that, that ring right here in the back, like, is it supposed to do that? Like the whole... Not just that one. Like that whole ring in the back. It's not a screwed on ring, but I can imagine that wouldn't be waterproof. But anyway, the kit finally works. Turn the battery on. 83%. At least it works now. Just poor manufacturing on these. Also, the hardware used. This came with Phillips head screws. The original one came with Allen head screws. Totally different mounting. Everything is different about them.